The Apple Watch is truly a fantastic device, but I'm sure you're not using it to its full potential. Watch till the end to learn 10 super useful features you could try right now. Let's go! Did you know that your Apple Watch can tell time using vibrations? To turn this feature on, head down to Settings, Clock, and scroll down to Taptic Time, then turn it on. Now head back to the home screen and make sure the mute mode is enabled. Then, using two fingers, press on the screen and you should feel a number of vibrations. You can choose one of 3 vibration styles: digits, terse and Morse code. Once you learn the patterns, it will be super easy for you to tell time. Another cool way to track time without looking at your watch is with chimes. Your watch will signal you after a specified time period from which you can track how much time has passed. Open Settings, scroll down to Accessibility and click Chimes. Turn the feature on. After that, you can select when you want to receive chimes and the sound, bells or birds. To hear sounds, make sure your mute mode is disabled. With mute mode on, you'll get a slight vibration instead of sounds. Now, how do you typically turn on low power mode? You just open the control center, click on battery and turn low power mode on. But there is actually a second, hidden super low power mode that will greatly improve battery life. Open Settings, scroll to Workout and turn on low power mode. With this turned on, your watch will stop many background processes such as heart rate measurements, thus increasing battery life. The next feature allows you to use your Apple Watch without touching it with only 4 gestures. Go to Settings, Accessibility, scroll to Assistive Touch, choose Hand Gestures and turn them on. From now on, you can use your Apple Watch hands-free. To activate gestures, clench your wrist twice. Then, by pinching once, you go forward in menus, and by pinching twice, backwards. By clenching your hand, you confirm actions. If you clench your hand twice, a menu will pop up, which allows for more complex actions like scrolling, opening system menus, pressing the ground, etc. For more precise control, you can turn on motion pointer, and then you'll be able to move a pointer by moving your wrist. This is a super cool way to use your watch if your hands are dirty or wet. The next trick will help you rearrange your cards in Apple Pay. Most people add cards to the wallet and then have to turn the crown, searching for the card they need. But if you long press a card, you can move it up and down the list. It's a really simple trick, most people never know. If you have Apple Watch and AirPods, there is a way to unlock a secret noise cancelling mode that will cancel out even more noise. To enable it, go to Settings, scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, then scroll again to Headphone Safety. At the bottom of the menu, you'll see Reduce Loud Sounds. Tap on it and turn it on. You can adjust the power of noise cancelling by clicking on these buttons. This way, Apple Watch will work in pair with your AirPods and filter out even more loud noises, preventing your ears from being damaged. I'm sure you found yourself in a situation when you forgot where you put your iPhone. With the Apple Watch you can easily find it. Swipe up the control center, tap the phone icon. This will play a loud sound on your iPhone, helping you find it. But if that's not enough, hold your finger on that button and your iPhone will flash, making it significantly easier to find. Apple Watch watch faces are typically silent, but there is one that can actually announce time. This is the Mickey Mouse watch face. If you turn off mute mode and tap on Mickey, it will announce the exact time.
It's 4:34.
The same works for Minnie Mouse too.
It's 4:35.
Really cool and subtle detail I'm sure you didn't know. Now, by default the notifications on Apple Watch show the entire notification, which sometimes can be very annoying. So if you value privacy, there's a way to fix that. Head over to Settings once again, choose Notifications, scroll down to Tap to show full notifications and turn it on. This way you won't see the contents of the notification until you tap on it. In the same menu I also advise to turn off Show Summary when locked, if you don't want to see notifications when your screen is locked. This is once again great for privacy. I'm sure you've noticed this red dot on your watch faces. This dot shows that you have notifications, but on some watch faces this dot can look out of place and off-putting, so let's turn it off. Go to Settings, Notifications and turn off Notification Indicator. Don't worry, you'll still receive all notifications just fine, but without that red dot. There are many other hidden features in the Apple Watch you don't know about, so if you want to see more, click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, peace out.